Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Lori Sarian from Daraga, Albay, 40 years old, and I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have two kids, 16 and 18 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
We have 6 siblings, and I am the fifth.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am college undergrad based in computer science
Why did you not finish your college?
because of financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I worked 4 years experience.
And your duties are?
Cooking, washing, taking care of children, gardening, and ironing clothes.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, and can do multitasking.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Why do you want to work abroad?
because I'll support my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Okay, give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
stay calm and talk to them calm.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Their future employer, I will do my best to be a good worker, and I can assure you that I work hard, honest, and if you have a children, I will love them as my own, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.